Hello student, today I will start exercise number 4.5. Let's see the question number 1. Draw the following. The square READ with RE is equal to 5.1. As you know that in the square students all sides are equal and also all angles value is 90 degree. Let's see the solution of this question. So students, firstly RE is given, that means 5.1 centimeter. So you have to draw RE, that is 5.1 centimeter. From R and from E you have to draw an angle of 90 degrees students. Then with E as a center and radius, take 5.1 centimeter, draw an arc which cut the angle at point A. Similarly, from R, take the radius of 5.1 centimeter, draw another arc which cut the angles line at point D. Now student, join AD. This is the required square READ. Question number 2 is draw the following. A rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter. Let's see student the solution of this given question. For the diagonal AC you have to draw the line 5.2 centimeter. This is given in the question, and after you have to do the bisector of AC like this. You can see here. When we do the bisector of AC, then we can find the point number O. From O, you have to take the radius of 3.2 centimeter and draw two arcs like this and this. Then we can find two points. The first one is B and the second one is D. Now students, join AB, BC, CD and AD. This is the required rhombus. Now students, let's see the question number 3. Draw the following. A rectangle with adjacent sides of length 5 cm and 4 cm. As you know that in the rectangle, length are equal and breadth are equal, and each angle measures 90 degree. Let's see the solution of the given question. Student, for the rectangle MN you have to draw 5 cm. That means MN's value is given, length is 5 cm. So firstly we have to draw MN is equal to 5 cm. After this you have to make the angle from M and N, that is 90 degree. Now student, another value is given 4 cm. So from M, take the radius of 4 cm, draw an arc like this, and from N also you have to take the radius of 4 cm and draw another arc like this. Now we can find 2 points P and O. Now student, join OP. This is the required rectangle MNOP. Let's see student the last question of the given exercise. Question number 4. Draw the following. A parallelogram OK where OK is equal to 5.5 cm and K is equal to 4.2 cm. Let's see the solution of the given question. For the solution student, firstly you have to draw the line OK, that is 5.5 cm. Now make an angle from K, that is 90 degree like this. Now from K, take the radius of 4.2 centimeter, draw an arc like this. Now this is point A. With A as a center and radius 5.5 centimeter, draw an arc like this. Similarly, from O, take the radius of 4.2 centimeter, draw another arc like this, which cut the previous arc at point Y. Now join OY and AY. This is the required parallelogram. I hope now you are able to complete the exercise number 4.5. Thank you students.